Hello, my friends. Good morning. How have you been? It's a pleasure to be here for the first time. It's a very special reason to be here. In this video, I will show you my experience using a new product. The name of this product is the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic. This product is perfect, is excellent. First of all, I'm gonna share with you the link for the official website in the description of this video for you to check all the information about this product. For example, you can check the information about the price of this product, how many bottles you can buy a day. You check all the information, okay? So, my name is Misael. It's a pleasure again. So, I had a great experience with this product for a special reason. This product helps me to lose weight. This product is safe. It's very simple to use this product. The Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic is a powerful new formula for supporting your health, weight loss and digestion. So this product is going to give you energy all day long. How to use the product? It's very simple. It's only to mix the powder with the water and drink a cup once a day before 10 a.m. Okay, the product is perfect. So if you need to lose weight, take this product. Okay, where you can find this product? How can I say this before? You can go to the website, the official website, check all the information about this product in relation to the price, the different bottles you can buy. You can buy 1, 2, 3 bottles a day, and you can start using this product at once. Okay, so if you have intention, if you need to lose weight, go to the official website right now and buy this product. Okay, this product is gonna help you a lot to lose weight. This is the reason for me to be here. I would like to share my experience with you to help you with your health. Okay, guys? So, see you.